Hey there, so this is a quick fix for a Thule roof bar if you've cut the trim on the bars a little bit short. Now I'm really annoyed because we watched the Thule roof bar's generic YouTube video and it says to cut the trim. You don't actually need to. So what I've done is put some duct tape or gaffer tape on the ends just to seal it off, because otherwise you're going to get water inside and you really don't want that because of rust and deterioration. So yes, you put the tape down just to a bit of a lower point and this end cap flips up, and then just seal it down. It may not look perfect, but it does do the job to keep the water out. And also, I know it doesn't look great, but it's still going to make your roof bars last if you made that mistake. And it's a bit of a cheaper option than paying the £30 or $30 for the replacement trim off the Thule website. As you can see, that will stay in and just about do the job, just as a quick fix. Now if you found this useful, check out my full fitting guide for these roof bars where I don't show this mistake we made, and I'll see you there soon. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this, and see you soon. Bye.